Hi students, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this class I am going to start the new chapter partial differential equation. You might have studied differential equation. This is partial differential equation. Nothing but an equation involving more than one independent variable, dependent variable and its partial derivatives with respect to independent variable is called a partial differential equation. Here, equation involving more than one independent variables, dependent variable and its partial derivative with respect to the independent variable. This is called partial differential equation. For example, cos of x plus y dou z by dou x plus sin of x plus y dou z by dou y equals z. Here z is dependent variable, x and y are independent variables. This is dou z by dou x is a partial derivative of z with respect to x. Dou z by dou y is a partial derivative of z with respect to y. Here this is the equation involving dependent variable z and more than one independent variable x and y and its partial derivatives with respect to the independent variables x and y. So this is called partial differential equation. Okay, one more example, x dou u by dou x plus y dou u by dou y equals 2u. Here u is dependent variable, x and y are independent variables. Next, y dou z by dou y square equals z into z minus x dou z by dou x. Here also z is dependent variable, y and x are independent variables. Z and u are regarded as dependent variables, x and y as independent variables. Also, the following notations are used in partial differential equations. Here, instead of dou z by dou x, we can write p, dou z by dou y is q, dou square z by dou x square equals r, dou square z by dou x into dou y equals s, dou square z by dou y square equals t. This is important notation. Okay, this example can be written as cos of x plus y. Dou z by dou x is p. P cos of x plus y plus sin of x plus y. Dou z by dou y is q. Q sin of x plus y equals z. This is x p plus y q equals 2u. Instead of z we have u. No problem. This is y q. Q y whole square equals z. Z minus x p. P. The order of a partial differential equation is the highest order of differential coefficient in the equation. Here, order of the differential equation is highest order differential coefficient. That is the order. Okay, examples 1 and 2 are first order examples. These two examples are first order partial differential equation as P and Q appear in first degree because this is here P and Q are in first degree. So these two are partial differential equation of first order. In this example, here order of Q is 2. Example 3 is a non-linear first order partial differential equation as P and appear in more than first degree. P and Q appear in more than first degree. So equation 3 is non-linear first order partial differential equation. Next, formation of partial differential equation. Okay, a partial differential equation can be formed by two methods. Formation of partial differential equation. Partial differential equation can be formed by using two methods. First one by eliminating arbitrary constant and one more method is by eliminating arbitrary functions from a relation involving 3 or more variables. One is elimination of arbitrary constant, another one is elimination of arbitrary functions. Okay, first one by eliminating arbitrary constant, that is, okay, let pi of x, y, z, a, b equals 0. Call it equation number 1. Okay, equation 1 be a given relation involving two arbitrary constants. Here we have two arbitrary constants a and b. So differentiate equation 1 partially with respect to x. We get dou pi by dou x plus dou pi by dou z into p. Here with respect to x, this is dou pi by dou x. Here y is, there is no x term, z is a function of x, so dou pi by dou z into p, dou z by dou x p. equals 0. Call it equation number 1. Similarly, if you differentiate equation 1 with respect to y, dou pi by dou y plus dou pi by dou z into q equals 0. This is equation number 3. Now eliminating a and b from 1, 2, 3, we get a partial differential equation of order 1 of the form f of x, y, z, p, q equals 0. Here we have eliminated a and b, as the number of arbitrary constants equals the number of independent variables. Okay, if the number of arbitrary constants are more than number of independent variables, then partial differential equation of second and higher order will be formed. If number of arbitrary constants are more than the number of independent variables, then partial differential equation of second and higher order will be formed. Okay, let me solve one example. Example 1. Form a partial differential equation by eliminating a and b from x minus a whole square plus y minus b whole square plus z square equals r square. First write the given equation. Here by using this we should form a differential equation which is free from a and b. There should not be a and b terms. Okay, first write the given differential equation, call it equation number 1. Okay, now differentiate this with respect to x. 2 into x minus a plus, there is no x term, leave it, 0, plus 2z into dou z by dou x equals 0. 2 into x minus a plus 2z, dou z by dou x is denoted by p equals 0. 2 into x minus a equals minus 2zb. 2 cancel, x minus a equals minus zv, equation number 2. Now differentiate 1 with respect to y, we get, differentiate this with respect to y, x minus a square, there is no y term, so 0, plus 2 into y minus b, 2 into y minus b plus 2z dou z by dou y equals 0. 2 into y minus b plus 2z dou z by dou y is q equals 0. 2 into y minus b equals minus 2zq. Y minus b equals minus zq, equation number 3. Now substituting x minus a value and y minus b value in this equation, in equation number 1, we get minus zb whole square plus minus zq whole square plus z square equals r square. Z square p square, z square q square plus z square equals r square. Take z square common, we have p square plus q square plus 1 equals r square. This is the required partial differential equation.